There's no better way to shorten your time in the kitchen than smart kitchen appliances. With every invention, it feels like we get a glimpse of what it's like to be a Jetson. As a result, even the most basic things we use on a day-to-day basis have become pretty advanced and a quick prime shipment away. Today, we will tell you about some smart kitchen utensils for every home. The links of all these products are mentioned in the description, so don't forget to check that out. 10. All-Clad Digital Gourmet Waffle Maker. Whether you prefer pancakes or waffles, there's no arguing the decadence of the latter, especially when made fresh in your own home. With that in mind, All-Clad comes to the rescue with its versatile gourmet waffle maker. It features the capacity to make a quarter of thick, deep-pocketed Belgian waffles and offers a handful of baking modes tailored to your batter, including chocolate and gluten-free. 9. Revolution Instaglow Smart Toaster. Finding the right toaster can truly determine the outcome of your breakfast. At the end of the day, some people don't mind their toast being burnt to a crisp, while the majority tend to aim for a nice shade of golden brown. Revolution's innovative Instaglow Smart Toaster grants you the opportunity to have your toast, bagels, and English muffin the way you prefer them. 8. KitchenAid Professional 5+ Series Stand Mixer. Whether you've seen it in your friend's kitchen or a movie household, everyone has come across a KitchenAid stand mixer at some point. The pro-grade piece of equipment is ubiquitous for a reason, as it offers the capability to mix up to 9 batches worth of cookie dough or 2 quarts of ice cream, the latter of which is made possible by a separate attachment sold in the vast ecosystem of KitchenAid products. Most notably, its signature tilted head design allows for easy adjustability and bowl removal. 7. Innova Precision Pro Sous-vide Cooker. The method of sous-vide cooking, French for under-vacuum cooking, has grown immensely popular statewide. Moreover, we recommend using nothing short of the best in this department. Innova's Precision Cooker Pro heats and circulates water to the exact temperature required for all sorts of food, be it veggies, fish, or the perfect medium-rare steak. 6. Philips Premium Digital Smart Sensing Air Fryer. Air frying has been lauded for being a remarkably healthy cooking mode that doesn't skimp on taste, and Philips has managed to make it even better for you. The manufacturer's Smart Sensing Air Fryer makes incredible use of its proprietary fat removal tech that extracts any fat content found in your dishes, be it beef, fish, or chicken, allowing you to enjoy meals that are good for your whole body, taste buds included. 5. GE Profile Stainless Steel Nugget Ice Maker. In case your refrigerator doesn't make ice, having a device that makes the stuff makes loads of sense. And even if your fridge doesn't make ice, well, it doesn't make ice as nice as this. GE Profile's sleek stainless steel nugget ice maker can churn out up to 24 pounds of restaurant-quality nugget ice daily, making it the perfect choice for any big summer get-together. 4. Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series Blender. Like we said earlier, Vitamix stands head and shoulders above its competition in the world of blenders, and its flagship A3500 is simply another example of how and why. The ultra-powerful gadget features a handful of program settings, one of which is a self-cleaning mode that helps take even more time off your hands. 3. Vermicular Musui Kamado. This versatile piece of cast iron is far more than the average pot. Japanese brand Vermicular's signature Musui Kamado is crafted from a mix of vermicular graphite iron and numerous other metals, ensuring a long-lasting piece of equipment that will lock in flavor for years to come. The unique gadget offers precision temperature control capabilities and serves as a variety of different appliances, including a proofer, rice cooker, or stew pot. 2. June Oven Premium. All-in-one mini ovens came in handy for a surfeit of reasons. That said, there are as many options to choose from in this field as there are benefits to owning one, but the almighty June Oven manages to reign supreme. The Plus configuration of this countertop appliance features 12 separate cooking functions, serving as a dehydrator, slow cooker, proofer, pizza oven, and much more. 1. Breville Oracle Touch Espresso Machine. We're bringing Breville back in for the end-all be-all of coffee makers. Its remarkably advanced Oracle Touch Espresso machine has as many functions as any product on this list, offering over 40 adjustable grind settings, in addition to the option of configuring your coffee's strength and adjusting your milk's texture. Do let us know in the comments which one of them you would like to have in your kitchen. You can buy any of the products from the links in the description. Thanks for watching.